Hey guys, it's Charlie with CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. In this video, I'm excited to show you the newly released Kodiak chair. It's called the Lazy Bear, model 8532. It comes in this box, which is about 40 inches long by 19 inches square, and it weighs about 18 pounds. It has this nice brown colored storage bag, and I like how it has these two holding straps. You can see the Kodiak Canvas logo imprinted on the center. This is my very first time seeing this chair in person, and I didn't expect to see a strap at the top, but it makes sense. There's a lot of material, as you can see in the seat there. Now, when I planned out this video, I decided I'd do a voiceover, and like I am now, and I asked my wife to record for me. This was my reaction to my wife, which I thought I'd edit out, but I'm gonna leave it. I was stunned by the quality of the chair, because I've demoed other brands that we carry. I can see why it's called the Lazy Bear chair. It's nice and wide. The material is wax canvas. If you're familiar with waxed canvas, you know that there's some nice benefits to that. First, it doesn't let wind through, and that's important if you're sitting around on a cold evening around the campfire. Second, it has this patina effect, like a nice pair of worn jeans that show the natural creases over time. Third, that helps repel water really well, meaning if you spill a drink, you can usually wipe it off pretty easily. If you're going to be sitting around a fire, whether out camping or your backyard fire pit, this is a very comfortable setup, nice and wide. There's plenty of room for me and Pongo. There's plenty of room for my wife and her two buddies, and even though it's not designed to be a two-seater, it could easily hold the both of us. By the way, this chair that I'm sitting in this photo is a different style Kodiak chair. It's called the Big Bear chair. More about that in the description, but let me give you some of the features and specs on the Lazy Bear chair that we're unboxing and demoing. The frame is powder coated to prevent rust. It's 22 millimeters and has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. The stitching and reinforcements are definitely typical of Kodiak's products. They do not disappoint, and I love the diamond pattern. You see that in applications designed for a lot of wear and tear like automotive upholstery, and it helps with insulation, so you'll often see that sewn in that pattern for jackets. And if you notice a darker fabric, that's not wax canvas, but it's 600D or denier polyester fabric, which means it's very thick. Okay, let's back this up. It's pretty simple. You fold it up, you secure the strap, and it's ready. The bag's a generous size. It's got dual zippers, so you just stuff that on in, zip it up, and you're on your way. Follow us for more videos, and if you want to know about pricing and availability, visit us at CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. Thanks for watching.